Good morning. We're going to the beach today. So I need to get up. We leave at 12:30. It is currently 11:04. I'm gonna do a slight makeup. Not that much. Not a full face. I'm gonna put my lashes on though. So I can be cute. Cutesy girly pop. Let's go. Wow. Guys, I think I'm going to do my makeup first and then pick out what I want to wear. I'm gonna sit you guys right here. I'm not sure how this looks actually. Does it look fine? Should I trust it? I get mad whenever the angle's wrong and it's like a lot of makeup on. No. Oh, your closet? Alright, y'all, I did my makeup. Let's find an outfit, okay? Oh, I did my lashes. Okay, y'all, I don't know what I want to wear. We're going to the beach, so it needs to be like a beach outfit, okay? Oh, look at me. Thank you. I don't know. All my outfits are already together, so I mean that's good. I could wear this outfit. This is an option. It's an orange outfit. Ooh, that yellow one's cute too. Ooh, where's that yellow one? What outfit is this? Oh, that's cute. That's like a lounge day outfit. This is a pool outfit. Y'all know say. I think it's between these two options. I should let my Instagram pick what I wear to the beach today. Actually, should I? Oh, almost fell. I think I'm gonna let my Instagram pick what outfit they want me to wear. Yeah, I'm gonna do that really quickly. This is the orange outfit. I don't know if I like it. I don't think I like it. It can also go like this and just dip down like this. I'm not sure. I don't think I like it. And these pants are pretty uncomfortable and I like literally like take my butt away. Okay, we're going to the yellow. Okay, y'all, we're going with the yellow one. You can see my abs through my shirt, period. Skinny queen. The neck was hanging low. I gotta fix that. I don't like the neck is hanging low. But y'all, hate how dark my freaking armpits are. Hyperpigmentation is really annoying. Especially when it's light-skinned girls. Okay, I can open up this window now. This, I don't know if you can see what I'm holding. I thought this ring I just put on, I like it. I don't know if I want to add a necklace. This beach necklace is so cute. It's so cute. I just be stacking in my back. Okay. Hair up or hair down? No, mama. Wait, I kind of like this. I kind of like this. Maybe it's the face card, y'all. Cushies. I'm gonna put some on. This is like 1,000 years old. Can't even open it. Oh. It still smells really good. Do that. All right, I'm putting my shoes on. That was black. This bag. If you know me, I cannot leave my room a mess. I can't. I have to put everything back where I found it. This is such a cute, like, let's see if it looks cute. Hold on. Oh wait, this is so cute. Hello? Doesn't match my outfit though, so I can't wear it. These shoes that goes. Oh, these work better. Packing my cameras. That's what you need to be doing. Huh?
Y'all listen to all those people tell y'all this.
It works. You see my stomach flat, right? Huh?
That fat stomach.
Wow. That stomach gonna go away, I'll tell you that.
Don't go away, don't work on it.
Oh
I
my
don't eat right.
Wow.
Like today, I had cauliflower with rice.
Okay, you didn't cook me nothing.
You said you gonna cook your own breakfast.
Oh.
So you told me.
But I would like for you to cook for me.
I had eggs,
Oh,
no carbs with
It's
eggs.
still going.
I had bacon, no carbs in bacon. Cauliflower, I had like 2 grams of carbs.
Anyways. Why am I grabbing both?
And then I'm gonna have some chicken and my vegetables tonight. You gotta close the refrigerator.
My bad. Like my outfit?
Nope.
Say yes. Stop being mean.
Look at a lot.
So you like my outfit?
I don't like yellow.
Well, y'all hear how he said yellow, right? All right. Come unlock this door. We're at the beach. You're outside in the sand. Put some socks on. Because it's really hard to walk. Like, look at them struggling. Baby. It's hot. It's a leg workout. I bet you look real buff if you come work out here, Daddy. That's gonna be gone in 2 days.
What you want?
Something to drink.
What you want?
I've never seen these many boats out here, actually. My favorite YouTubers were here like 3 weeks ago. I was so mad. They were at this beach. I was so upset. Can y'all see my leg muscles? I know you see my leg muscle.
No, you ain't got no leg.
This is the biggest hater I know.
No se puede negar la existencia de algo palpado, por más que exhibir una prueba de decencia de aquello que es tan verdadero.
My favorite thing in the yard is the arroz con frijoles. They're so good. It's so good. It actually makes no sense. What's wrong? Oh! Motherfucker didn't know who wanted to come or go. Look at that bite. I'm recording on my actual camera. Aren't we happy? About to try and tan. I'm tanning at the moment. Daddy, change this song. Okay, it's only the first day. Can you guys see? Can you play some Spanish music? Oh baby, you're so weird. But I was saying like, I'm so like, I'm just like, oh, like, I have my camera. I'm in the arm at the beach. He is some fine shit. And like, I'm back reading. No one knows how much being able to like just read again means to me. And I just can't wait to meet someone who like puts me back, like just, not even puts me back, like keeps me there. Keeps me in my girly, all about me, feminine paradise. Not even air, like, I cannot wait. So I'm able to just, and so they want to hear my book, they want to hear about what's going on in my book, and I'm like, I love that, I want that, I need that, I want to have that. But until then, I'm enjoying myself. We're back home, and this vlog is about to end shortly. But first, I am going to cut this mango. Yes. I'm so happy. I actually don't know how to cut a mango. At least these kind of mangoes. I don't know how to cut the champagne mango, where you like split it in half and you twist it open. Maybe I should watch a video on how to cut a mango. I'll be back. Okay. I'm just gonna wing it because everyone's cutting it different ways. So I'm just gonna cut, hold on, you're gonna watch. I'm just gonna cut like this first part. Oh God. This mango might not even be ready.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, you know how to cut a mango? Okay, now you know me.
Look at your face. It's not sweet.
Eat it. That's better. But I didn't want to add sugar. Okay, this one needs to, how many days do you think?
Hey, treat?
Really? Okay. They're gonna eat it. So, it's supposed to be red or green?
Right.